see what you've done here. This headlight looks badass, first of all.
Yeah, the big old LED headlight.
Let's turn that on, man.
Yeah. It's blind to everyone.
Dude, no way.
And you got the carb on here, this crazy part.
Carb on here, I had to find a special swoop-de-doo.
Yeah.
For to get it around there.
That's a weird one.
I had to drill those holes out because the swoop-de-doo was correct, but the holes were not correct.
Oh, okay.
I had to drill them out on both sides just a little bit.
And looks dope.
Got the exhaust mounted with a little Kirby bracket.
Yeah, that looks sweet.
Got this top. Handlebars aren't all wiggly wobbly like they were with the stock.
Oh yeah, nice and wide.
Just old landscape edging there, of course, as we do.
It's barely noticeable.
Yeah.
And then the tail light, dude. Crazy
I think
position.
It doesn't really seem to change. You know, can you tell me if that's getting brighter? Does that get brighter?
No change at all. Okay, wait, a small.
Right, it's like very minute.
No one would notice, yeah.
So, I'm gonna have to figure out something else for that too, I think.
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
This looks sick, man.
Came together just in time for the
Yeah.
show. I literally have not, this will be the first ride to the show.
Yeah.
I rode it around the block for like 5 minutes yesterday and then I had to go to dinner.
The bike show's in 45 minutes, so if there's any problems on the way, we're kind of screwed.
If there's, we'll be calling Morgan to bring the trailer down.
Yeah. No, it's gonna make it just fine.
That's for the license plate.
Oh, you're just gonna sit there too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So she starts up.
Yeah, let's hear it. Oh. That sounds sick. Oh man. Show us what you did with the CDI, because you didn't have wiring.
We have a handful of these things. We have like 5 or 6 of them, but we don't have any wires to the other end for whatever reason. So I think we must have cut a pigtail off of this thing that fit on the other end. You know, it was like one of these that plugged in there, but this has 5 prongs. The one that I found only had 4 prongs, but it had an open slot for the 5th one. So then I had to go through and take out pins from another one and make my own like sort of custom pin to insert in there. And soldered it all together. I cut your wires from this thing.
Oh wow!
Because it has the matching colors that are supposed to be going in there, and just like bootlegged a little pigtail together. And I'm surprised it's actually running.
That's crazy, dude.
The one
don't even think that was possible.
The one that they sent with the engine, this thing, which is an 8-pin CDI.
Dear God.
0% chance of working with this engine. So they sent me a CDI that has zero capability of running this engine for whatever reason.
We got our logo with a DTF t-shirt transfer. Woo! That'll go
Look
right
at
on the
that.
back of the shirt.
We got the stickers here too.
I think I'll just stick with the pocket shirt down.
You put this together so fast.
Find to an actual running, functioning motorcycle.
Yeah, $50.
50 bucks.
$50. That's our cheapest.
Back when $50 was $50.
Yeah.
Frame yet.
It looks badass.
It is sensual.
Our flagship.
Yeah.
Weird. It's weird in a great way.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I took it apart.
Oh yeah, and here
I
it
carved
is.
this foam, and then I did the front.
Cool.
So it's not just like. I kind of had this
that looks
pillowy
nice.
Nonsense like sticking up here.
Yeah.
Looked like just a mega chode, which I'm fine with, you know.
No, it's good.
Better than my regular chode.
And here's your headlight all complete now.
Right.
That looks so sexy, dude.
Once it turns on, man, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Once it's lighting that candle,
That'll be the day.
that'll be the f***ing day. Re-wrinkleified it.
Dude, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's working.
Oh shit. We call him TTF. Beautiful.
and that's pretty good.
I kind of pulled a fast one on you and told I was bringing a different bike. We just got this one out this morning. Yeah, I gave you guys a Z on the fluid choice because I thought it sounded a little cooler.
Yeah, I dig it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, son of a bitch.
What else?